If your FL Studio projects are making crackling or glitchy sounds, your CPU might be struggling to keep up. This happens because of underruns, when your computer can't process audio fast enough. Here's how to fix it. First, go to the top menu bar of FL Studio and click on Options. After that, select Audio Settings. In the audio settings, increase your buffer length. A higher buffer gives your CPU more time to process sound, reducing glitches. But if you go beyond 2048 samples, it won't help much and can actually make things worse. Next, make sure Smart Disable and Multi-Threaded Processing are turned on. These settings help FL Studio run more efficiently by managing CPU load. If your project is still lagging, it's time to check which plugins are causing the most strain. Click on the CPU monitor at the top of FL Studio, then double-click it to open the Plugin Performance Monitor. This lists all your plugins and effects, sorted by how much CPU they're using. Find the ones using the most power and decide if you really need them. You can also freeze the Plugin Performance Monitor to get a clearer look at what's causing issues. If a plugin isn't being used, disable it. Go to the mixer track and click on this green dot next to the effect to disable it. These steps should reduce CPU load and help FL Studio run smoothly.